Difference between medical and nursing diagnosis. Medical diagnosis. A medical diagnosis deals with a disease or medical condition. Nursing diagnosis. A nursing diagnosis deals with the human response to actual or potential health problems and life processes. We will see the difference between medical and nursing diagnosis. So medical diagnosis deals more with the medical condition, but nursing diagnosis is a diagnosis that is based upon the response of the patient to the medical condition. Medical diagnosis is a diagnosis or finding made by the doctor is based on the physiologic state of the patient or his medical condition. And nursing diagnosis have a specific action that is related to what nurses have autonomy to take action about. So here nursing diagnosis, the nurses have the full independence to take decision for the diagnosis. The medical diagnosis, the diagnosis of a doctor focuses on the illness itself. But the nursing diagnosis, nurses treat the patient with everything that is related to human response to a specific disease. Medical diagnosis is specific in the pathology, and nursing diagnosis focuses on the patient and his physiological and psychological response. The medical diagnosis come up with such a diagnosis that would treat the medical problem. But nursing diagnosis is focused on the care for such patient behind that illness. Medical diagnosis is etiology or cause focused, but nursing diagnosis is care focused. Medical diagnosis is the process of determining which disease or condition explains the person's symptoms and signs. But nursing diagnosis may be part of the nursing process and is a clinical judgment about individual and family or community experiences, responses to actual or potential health problems and life processes. Thank you.